Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. This is AI and more, where we turn AI tools into real creative power. Today we're going to be looking at extracting stems from Suno. Without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So let's assume you've made your song already, it is in Suno. What do we mean when we say stems? Stems, this is the composition of the song. It might be vocals, drums, guitars, or pipes, synthesizers, piano. So that is what we call stems. So what do you need stems for? Stems, if you need to remix your song or remake your song, or you want to change the vocals, so you need to download the stems, and maybe you want the instrumental. You want to separate vocals from the instrumental so that you can use the instrumental or you can use the vocals. So what do you do? How to do that in Suno? Let's assume you've made your song already in Suno, like this one I've made. Let's have a little listen and we see what we made here with Suno. The song is called You Are Enough, and you can see the prompt and style. This is a gospel song, so let's have a few seconds of it.
In the quiet of my heart, you call my name. When the weight of the world feels too much to carry, you remind me I'm not walking alone. Your mercy finds me every morning.
Okay, that's the song we made with Suno. So it is this song we're going to extract. So we are going to extract the stems for this song. You come here where there is 3 dots on this song. You click. You go to get stems. So if you want to get stems of a song in Suno, you need to be on an upgraded plan. You need to pay for Suno. For example, let's see the payment of Suno. You might need to be on a pro plan. This is $8 per month. That is if you are going to pay for a full year. But if you need to pay for a month, you just click here. That is $10 a month. Or premier plan, this is $30 a month. So if you're not on a payment plan, you might not download the stems. So let's go back to our video. 3 dots, click get stems. So this dialog box will open up, and mostly Suno detects 12 separate instruments, more so for the songs that were created in Suno. And for vocal and instruments, and for vocals and instrumental, it is always 2 separate stems. For this video, we shall extract the vocals and instrumental. You say extract. Alright, we have our stems ready. We have version 1 and we have version 2. So let's listen to version 1 and see. Okay, that is our song. Let us mute the vocals and see. And let us mute the instrument and see.
Feels too much to carry. You remind me I'm not walking alone.
Yeah, that is our version 1. Let's listen to version 2 and see. There is no actual big difference, but most times the version 2 is a little bit brighter than the version 1. Let's mute the vocals and see. The instrumental.
Much to carry. You remind me I'm not walking alone.
Okay, so those are our stems. If you want to download the instrument alone, you click here. If you want the vocals alone, you click here. If you want to download them all, you click here. So if you want different versions, we have MP3 audio, we have WAV audio, and we have WAV tempo locked. This is aligned to song tempo. In most cases, if you want to reuse the stems, you will have to download either WAV audio or WAV tempo locked. Large files, high quality. In this video, we're going to download WAV. So we want to download them all. Let's download them all. So within a few seconds, and this is where my stems are going to be downloaded to. You can browse and put them where you want, and that is my title, your enough stems.zip. Let's download. Okay, our download is done, and this is how the zip looks like. So you have to extract the stems. There are a lot of options: extract files, extract here. We're going to use extract to title your enough. This is our folder, and this looks to be like our stems. This the lead vocals.
When the weight of the world
Okay,
feels
that is
too
our lead vocal.
much to carry.
This is our instrumental, and that is our instrumental. Okay, that is our downloaded stems. That is how we download and extract stems from a song made by Suno, and you can now transfer these stems to your favorite DAW. See you in the next video. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.